Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete the duplicate data in Excel sheet. So let's begin. To do this, first of all you need to select the data. I'm selecting all of them. Then I will check if it has any duplicate data. To check that, go to Home tab, then Conditional Formatting, then Highlight Cells Rules, then Duplicate Values. Now I see it has the duplicate values, so cancel it and I will delete this value. Go to data and click on remove duplicate buttons. Select all, or you can customizely select the columns, then press OK. The duplicated value is deleted. This is how you can delete the duplicate value in Excel sheet. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Thank you very much.